This is a video on how to replace a 120 volt electric outlet. The tools you need are a multimeter, a Phillips, and a flathead screwdriver. The first step is to cut the power to the outlet at the breaker panel. Breaker panels are usually located in a garage, service, or laundry room. Once you've located the breaker panel, the next step will be to turn off the individual breaker for the room in which you're working in. They're labeled and numbered on the side, so select the coordinating room and turn the switch off. With the breaker switch off, the next step is to remove the faceplate of the outlet using your flathead screwdriver. Once removed, you'll need to confirm that there is no power going to the outlet for safety. Set your multimeter to read AC voltage, and using the red probe, touch the terminals on the right side of the outlet, and use the black probe to touch the terminals on the left side. For 120 volt outlets, the right side is always hot and the left side is always neutral. If you get a reading of less than 3 volts, you are safe to continue. Next, using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 mount screws on the top and bottom of the outlet. Then pull the outlet away from the wall, exposing the wires and terminals. Next, you'll need to loosen the terminal screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Then put the wires off to the side in the same position in which they were removed. Do the same thing on the left side of the outlet, making sure to keep the wires in the same position to prevent confusion. Once all the wires are removed, you can put the old outlet aside and begin installing the new one. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, tighten down all 5 terminal screws on either side of the outlet. If for any reason your wires get mixed up, know that the white wires connect to the terminals on the left side, and the black connect to the terminals on the right side, and the ground connects to the terminal on the bottom left, which is generally green. Next, using both hands, push the outlet into the housing, making sure that no wires are pinched or that no wires come off of the terminal screws. Once the outlet is in position, mount it to the housing using the 2 Phillips head screws provided. You can then install the new faceplate and turn the power back on at the breaker. The final step is to test that the outlet is working properly. Using any 120 volt appliance, plug it into the outlet and power it on. You now know how to replace a standard 120 volt outlet. Thank you for watching.